Good afternoon. Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta.
Morning, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, please check my Bhavya on the group. I have made one picture in the paint.
Okay, let me see.
I have also made.
Ma'am, today we do the more key points.
How many key points have we done?
12.
Ma'am,
Only
12.
12?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, not 12.
Then,
Yes, ma'am, 12. No, ma'am, 12.
very nice, Bhavit.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Very nicely done. Who has made this crying lady? Who is that? Vamika. Vamika has joined the class? No, she hasn't. So beautiful, she's joined.
ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. Good afternoon. Everybody open your cameras. All of you. Open your camera. Hurry up. Shobit, Arhan, Shaurya, Kanav, Arav, Jasreena, Akshada sitting in a church or a museum. Huh?
Drawing.
Beautiful drawings, beautiful pictures you all have made. Yashmit, what is it that you have drawn?
What do you have to do today?
Wait, let everybody join. What is
Ma'am,
the
please
question?
share the last two. Ma'am, please share the last two key points on the group.
Wait, I'll share the entire thing on the group. Don't worry.
We have
Okay,
said that we do 19 key points.
There are in all 18 or 19 key points. Let me see where they are. Okay, there are 18 key points in all. I'll share this picture on the class group also and then on screen as well.
Ma'am,
Yes.
in our last class, you were
I'm
unable to
chatting with
connect.
Sanvi Pahwa.
Okay, wait. Huh? You are?
Ma'am,
Chatting with Sanvi Pahwa, ma'am.
You're chatting with. I thought you're sitting with Sanvi Pahwa.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am.
Now stop chatting. Do that in
Ma'am.
evening time and get back to your class. Yes.
Ma'am, in our last class, you were unable to tell us the whole, ma'am, like you have not tell us the all underlined words.
Good morning, ma'am.
I'll tell them today. Don't worry. Okay, here it goes. Now you have the screen before you, all of you. Here comes the screen share. Yes.
Ma'am, today we
beta.
will continue our key points.
Yes, beta. We are going to continue the key points. See, I have shared the screen. Where is the screen? Now you can see all of
Ma'am,
you.
it is black and it is showing v/near power share the screen.
Now can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
I can see I can see the screen now. Can all of you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Cool. Start doing it. Have I started the recording?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, mute yourself. Who is not muted in class? Just mute yourself.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh is a single word or different word?
Where, in which sentence are you asking?
Ma'am, I'm asking like this only, like Himachal Pradesh is one
Two
word.
different. No, no.
or-
Pradesh is a different word. Himachal is different. They are two separate words.
Ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, you have not underlined the words.
Beta, I'll underline it. Just wait. Write all the
Okay,
key
ma'am.
points, then I'll underline it here only on the screen.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, in 16th one, ma'am, in 16th one, what you have written after speak?
In 15th one, Kumauni. People speak Kumauni, Hindi, Garhwali, and other Pahari languages.
Ma'am, I have listened Gadoli.
Ah, you've heard people speak this language.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to speak it?
No, ma'am, I don't know.
Okay.
Ma'am, in our science book, hawk is written in different languages. Ma'am, hawk. And ma'am, ma'am, more different words like animals in, ma'am, in our science book behind,
Okay.
back, last page of this.
All right.
And ma'am, polar bear is written in Hindi also, but ma'am, I don't know what we call polar bear in Hindi.
Okay.
Ma'am, in the 14th one, what is written after has, because ma'am, this is coming. The children's name are coming, and ma'am, I can't see that what is written after has.
Which sentence?
Ma'am,
Uttarakhand
in 14th
has, okay, okay,
I
okay.
mean, 14th.
Uttarakhand has Dehradun as its capital.
Okay, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, there are only 18 or 20.
Beta, there are only these many key points. That's all.
Ma'am, there is
Ma'am,
gap
please scroll
between dal
down.
house. Ma'am, there is gap between dal house also.
There is gap between what?
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
scroll down.
dal housey.
Dalhousie. No, no, there is no gap.
Yes, ma'am.
Mama, I have done. Mama, I have done, Kanav.
Ma'am, I have joined from my phone, and ma'am, now please tell me that how can I put this up? Like,
How can you do what?
ma'am, ma'am, I have joined from my mobile. So, ma'am, please see that how can I put this, like, slide this up?
Slide this up.
Yes, ma'am.
Beta, I don't know how you will do it.
Arrow, just hold at that slide and drag it up.
Okay.
Mama, I have done, Kanav.
Okay, beta, very good.
Ma'am, I have done Daksh Pratap Singh.
Very nice, very good.
Ma'am, I am on the 17th one. Ma'am, when we will write in the 16 one, when we will write these languages, so we have to write capital letter on them.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, in the 18th one, what you have written after Nainital?
Auli. The name of the place is Auli. It's Oli.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, what kind of language is Gharwali? Ma'am,
It's not Gharwali, beta. It's Ghadauli. It's Ghadauli.
Oh, okay, ma'am. Ma'am, I think Gharwali.
In 17th one, after the you written pilgrimage.
What, beta?
Ma'am, in 17th one, you after the what you written
The pilgrimage sites of Uttarakhand.
Okay, ma'am.
What is pilgrimage sites? Can anyone tell?
The places of worships.
Yes. Tirth sthan.
I am sending you something personally in the chat box, so please.
Ma'am, can you tell the underlining sentences?
Beta, I'll tell. For that, I'll have to unzoom it.
Ma'am, in the 16th one, what you have written after people speak?
Kumauni.
I'll send you something in the chat box personally.
But ma'am, it is ma'am, it is pronounced as Gharoli, and we write Garwali.
Ma'am, I have done Akshata.
Ma'am, in the last 18th one, what you written after old?
What beta? क्या कह रहे हो? Say it again.
Ma'am, in the 18th one, what you written after old?
It's Auli. Auli. Masuri. Then it is Masuri.
Okay, ma'am.
Now Jaskaran, what are you saying? Ma'am, if we will ask. No, they should not feel bad. Jaskaran, they should feel normal about it.
Okay, ma'am.
Why do you think that they are going to feel bad about it? Have you asked someone?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, after this, what we do?
Beta, after this, we are going to discuss all the exercises of this chapter. Okay, those who have
Can you
done.
tell the underline?
Yes, beta, I'll tell. Let everybody do it. How many children are still writing?
Ma'am, last one.
I'm writing Bhavya. I am on the 16th one. I'm done.
I have done.
Yes.
Ma'am, last one.
Good. Okay.
Ma'am,
Silence. Silence, silence. I'm
Ma'am.
waiting for 3 more minutes. Be quiet, everyone.
Ma'am, I have done Rana.
I have also done Ras.
Ma'am, I went Lakshman Jhula and Rishikesh. And ma'am, Badrinath also.
Very nice. How is it? Beautiful?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have also went
Ma'am, on
to
Lakshman Jhula, if you stand like this, and ma'am, it will move left, right, left, right.
Achha.
yes, ma'am.
So you feel that swing?
Ma'am, I have
Yes,
gone to
ma'am.
Haridwar
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Rishikesh both.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Haridwar,
So
Rishikesh,
it is
and
like a standing jhula. We don't need to sit on it to swing. Huh?
ma'am, if
Yes,
you
ma'am.
walk on the, and ma'am, if you walk on it, you will be scared because it is so it
Yes,
will
It is
so
on the height, ma'am.
It is on
Yes,
height.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
if
ma'am,
we will see it down and we will got very danger. It's only water.
Acha.
and ma'am, the water is so chilled, ma'am.
yes,
What do I
ma'am.
tell you, like?
And I'm sure the water is very deep also. And it's
Yes,
Yes,
what
ma'am.
is
ma'am.
it? What is it?
Ma'am.
It is fresh flowing water or it is stagnant water over there?
I'm fresh flowing.
Ma'am, fresh flowing. Ma'am,
On
fresh
which river
flowing.
is it made? Lakshman Jhula
Ma'am,
is-
Ganga. Ma'am,
Ganga.
Ganga.
Sure.
Ma'am Ganga.
Sure, beta.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, I know because I have went there and it was near Rishikesh.
Acha.
Ma'am, I have gone to Nepal from car only. Ma'am, I have gone to Haridwar and
Ma'am,
Rishikesh.
and
both.
ma'am, there is one Shivji's mandir, I think, and ma'am, their aartis was going on, and ma'am, it was so beautiful.
Acha. Very nice. Very good. I have never been there. Now even I'll go.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
I
at
have also
evening.
seen the aarti.
Huh?
Ma'am, there is aarti at the evening and I have also seen it is like very nice.
Yes.
Ma'am, the Shivji statue was locked, but ma'am, the people were going from the upside. From that, it was locked, but they were going from upside.
Okay. Very good. Very nice.
Ma'am, our bath also, it's very cold water over there.
Hmm.
Ma'am, what is Lakshman Jhula?
Now, Jaskaran, you will have to Google it and see what Lakshman Jhula is.
It is a bridge which is named on Lakshmanji.
Okay, Yashwin. Ma'am, I have done.
Ma'am, can you tell what we have to underline in this?
Okay, now let's start underlining. But how will I be able to underline? Annotate and draw and this.
Ma'am, it is annotate, not date.
It's anno. What is it?
Yes, ma'am, yes, ma'am, it is annotate.
Annotate. I thought I'm reading wrong. How can I read wrong? Huh? I started doubting myself. Okay, the first thing is Shimla, that is to be underlined. Then the most important festival of Himachal Pradesh is Dussehra. Underline the word Dussehra. Shimla, Kulu, Manali and Dalhousie are important holiday destinations. So all the 4 places, the names will be underlined. Uttarakhand is located. So Uttarakhand, and it has Dehradun as its capital. Okay, now here the Gangotri Glacier and the Yamunotri Glacier is the source of river Yamuna. People speak, now all the languages need to be underlined here. Then the pilgrimage sites of Uttarakhand are the names of all pilgrimage sites. Jaskaran, have you been to Hemkund Sahib?
Ma'am, what?
Have you been to Hemkund Sahib, that is in Uttarakhand?
Ma'am, I think it is Gurdwara and I have not visited.
Yes.
Ma'am,
It is
it is
Gurdwara.
not a Gurudwara.
It is a Gurdwara.
Yes, ma'am, that's Gurdwara.
It's
Ma'am, I went.
who has been there?
Ma'am, when I was
Jasreena.
going Badrinath,
Oh, Jasreena,
Ma'am.
wonderful.
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am, when I was going to Badrinath, ma'am,
Mhm.
Hemkund I have seen.
Acha, you saw it on the way, Hemkund Sahib.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
very nice.
Ma'am, I have gone
It is
to
not easy.
Golden
It is
Temple,
not easy to
Nalapati.
go to these pilgrimage sites. The
Yes,
journey
ma'am.
itself is very difficult, that it is a big deal to go to these kind of places.
Yes, ma'am, because of
Ma'am, you know, my
mountains.
father.
What?
Yes, ma'am. I also.
My
Yes,
father.
ma'am. Ma'am, most of
Beta,
the
one by
people.
one, one by one.
Ma'am,
Let
most of the-
Jasreena speak. Let Jasreena speak. Everybody will get
Ma'am,
it
my-
on.
Ma'am, my father also went with Bullet.
On bullet.
Yes, ma'am, that's true.
Oh my God. Up till there, till Hemkund Sahib.
Yes, ma'am, in winters.
My God. He's a biker, huh?
Ma'am, most of the people.
Ma'am, my mother is also
Ma'am, most
biker.
of the people.
Acha. Very
Ma'am,
nice.
to
Very
go
good.
from bike. Ma'am, most of
Acha,
them
acha,
will
now,
be from
now
bike.
who will speak? Now who will speak? Next. Bhavya. Okay,
Ma'am,
Bhavya will
Bhavya.
speak. Yes. Say.
Ma'am, you will be shocked that my father has gone to my father and me has gone to Ladakh in the snowfall by Bullet.
Wow, wonderful, wonderful. Chalo. Next, who will speak? Shobit.
Shobit.
Yes, beta, Shobit.
मेरे फादर ने कौन सा काम किया
Ma'am, Parikshma of 21 kilometers.
What of 21 kilometers?
Ma'am, Vrindavan Parikrama by walking.
Who has done this parikrama?
Yes, ma'am.
पावर कहाँ था
Ma'am, it is very difficult.
Acha. You have done this parikrama or someone in your family has done?
Ma'am, we all have gone to Parikrama on our vacations, and ma'am, I get tired so soon.
Okay, very nice.
Ma'am, I have gone
Remember
to
this
Golden
experience.
Temple and Nanak Mandir, which are far from Bareilly.
But not very far. They are more like picnic trips, huh? Yes. Going to
Most
Nanak
of the
Mata.
people. Ma'am,
Yes.
most of the people go from bike.
Okay. Now next, Yashmit, you want to say something?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, that, do you know that my father has gone to Leh Ladakh and he has visited the Leh Ladakh? He was telling that the Jojila Pass was very dangerous. There was no boundary there,
Oh
and
my
the
God.
and the road was so narrow.
Acha, very nice. Very good.
And do you know I have a hydroelectricity highlighter?
Acha, good. So Yashmit, when you
Ma'am,
hear about all these things, all the experiences, children, when you hear about all these experiences of your parents or of your family members, and when you study it in the books, you feel so good about it, na? You feel
Yes,
like we
ma'am.
already know it. Yes, we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
heard about it. Yes, it is so interesting to then study all these things.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
And
ma'am,
it's
do
easy
you
to
know?
learn all of these
Ma'am, do
things.
you know that
And we
my father?
remember.
Ma'am, do you know, ma'am, my father has going by just walking by. Ma'am, excuse me.
हाँ बेटा, I'm listening. बोलो क्या कह रहे हो?
मैम नंगे पैर को इंग्लिश में क्या पैर
Bare
बोलते हैं
feet.
मैम नंगे
It's bare feet.
Ma'am, my father has gone bare feet to Kedarnath.
Oh, very nice. Good. How difficult it would have been for him, है ना?
Yes, ma'am. After that, he was come and just slept when.
Yes.
Ma'am,
He must have had so much pain in
before-
his feet and legs. I'm sure.
Yes, ma'am. After coming, ma'am, after when I see him when I have come from school, so
Hmm.
Ma'am,
when he was
Ma'am, when I was-
just sleeping from morning to from just when I go morning and then ma'am now
Till evening.
ma'am he wake till evening.
Okay, okay, okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am.
when you will do the exercise.
Ma'am, when I was 5 years old,
Hmm.
I went to Purnagiri and without wearing shoes, and ma'am, I have climbed it also.
Okay, very nice. I'm very happy to know your experiences, everyone. Now, can I stop this screen share?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we can start exercises of the
Yes,
chapter.
beta, now we'll start the exercises. Only 7 minutes are left. So let's just quickly do all the exercises. Okay, these key points and the
Okay, ma'am.
exercises would be today's work. Open up page number 79 of your book.
Ma'am, I have already opened it.
Very nice. Chalo, Raina will read the first sentence and tell us the answer.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Road. Ma'am,
Rhododendron.
what is this?
Rhododendron.
Rhododendron trees are common
Page
in
number.
79. Rhododendron trees are common in Uttarakhand or Rajasthan.
Ma'am, Rajasthan.
What have we
Ma'am,
studied in this chapter? The northern mountains, the states that lie in the northern mountains.
Uttarakhand.
So is it Rajasthan that lies here or it's
No,
Uttarakhand?
ma'am. No, ma'am. Sorry, Uttarakhand.
Yes.
I'm Uttarakhand.
Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, can I read the next one?
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Can I Bhavya?
Just
The
read
most-
the
Can I read the
next
next
one.
Dash is the local tea of Jammu and Kashmir. Kahwa.
Very nice. Kahwa is the local tea of Jammu and Kashmir. Bhavya, next point.
Ma'am,
Kinori.
Kinnauri language is spoken in Dash, Srinagar or Himalaya.
Himachal.
Sorry, ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Yes.
Ma'am, Himachal Pradesh.
Himachal Pradesh. Kinori is spoken in Himachal Pradesh. Very good. Next, Rasya. I will give turn only to the children whose cameras are on.
Okay, ma'am. Nathula Pass is located in Dax, Himachal
Ma'am, please tell
Pradesh
first and second
or
also.
Ladakh. Ma'am, Ladakh.
Ladakh. Very nice. Beta, the first one is rhododendron trees. They are common where? They are common in Uttarakhand.
Ma'am, Uttarakhand.
Second, Dash is a local tea of Jammu and Kashmir. Which is the local tea of Jammu and Kashmir? Tell.
Ma'am, Kehwa.
Kaha.
Ma'am,
Kehwa.
Yes.
Kehwa.
Then,
Ma'am,
Kinori is a language spoken in Dash. Where is Kinori?
Himachal Pradesh.
Pradesh.
Himachal
Himachal
Pradesh.
Pradesh. Very good. And Nathula Pass is located in
Ma'am, Ladakh. Ma'am,
Ladakh.
Ladakh.
very nice.
Ladakh.
Chalo, now fill in the blanks. Jaskaran, read out the first fill in the blank. After Jaskaran, Akshada.
The people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress called. Ma'am, I don't know.
What is
Ma'am,
Jaskaran is watching
Ma'am,
phone.
Reina.
Huh?
Ma'am, Reina hai is
What Raina is doing? Tell.
ma'am from Raina, from the side of Raina, the music sound is coming.
Okay, no problem. Now she has muted herself. Okay, the people of Kashmir wear a traditional dress. What is that traditional dress called? Yashmit.
Ma'am, Firan.
Firan. Very good. Very nice. Next, Akshadha.
Okay, ma'am. Dash is the course of the river Ganga, Gangotri.
Gangotri or Gangotri Glacier is the source of river Ganga. Very good. Arav Gupta. Next one.
Dash is another name for Palace tree.
Palash tree. What is another name? Now you will find the answer in the paragraph of Uttarakhand. Everybody look for the answer.
Piran also Himachal Pradesh.
Everybody look for the answer in the paragraph
Palace tree.
Uttarakhand.
Palace tree.
Ma'am, I got
Ma'am,
it.
Yes.
ma'am, the
Very
DHAK.
nice. Very nice.
Yes, ma'am.
Dhak
Dhak.
tree. Dhak is another name for Palash tree. Then next one, who will read? Who will read? Who will read?
Ma'am, can you tell the first fill in the blank?
First fill in the blank is Firan beta. Piran. Jashmit, your turn to read the next sentence, beta.
Okay, ma'am. Dash is the summer capital city of Jammu and Kashmir, Srinagar.
Srinagar. Very nice. And which is the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir?
Jammu.
Jammu. Good. Done these two exercises, all of you?
No,
Those who
yes,
want
ma'am.
to- Those who want to read out, please open your cameras.
Ma'am, please tell the
Just
fourth one.
Repeating these two
Ma'am,
dates.
please tell the fourth one. Ma'am, please tell me, ma'am.
Beta, the fourth one is Srinagar is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Okay.
ma'am.
Ma'am, please
Bhavika.
tell the third fill up.
Dhak. Dhak. Dhak is another name for Palash tree.
Ma'am, there is no space of writing glaciers in second one.
Okay, no problem. Write it small.
Ma'am, I can write too small.
Write it after the sentence.
I have done these two exercises.
Done? Everyone has done? No confusion to anyone?
Ma'am,
Exercise number C.
Now let's come on to page number 80, exercise C.
Ma'am,
C
what
ex-
is the answer of third one?
Which third?
Ma'am, fill in the blanks, third one.
Dhak.
D-H-A-K. Dhak.
Ma'am,
Tree.
acha, okay.
Ma'am, I can't listen properly.
Hmm?
Ma'am, I can't listen properly what you have said.
Beta, D-H-A-K. Arav Gupta has written the answer in the chat box. Yes. See it from there.
Ma'am, can you tell the answers of true, false?
Beta, we will discuss them. The moment you will be quiet, we'll be discussing them. But now no time is left. Only 1 minute is left.
Okay.
So I don't
Okay,
think
ma'am.
I'll be able to do it. Tomorrow in our class we'll do. You can go and
Bye,
join in our
ma'am.
class. Bye, beta.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, children.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye to all of you.
Bye, ma'am.